Hi, my name is Roger Giuliani. I'm an attorney in Las Vegas, Nevada. I've been practicing law for 22 years, and I'd like to tell you about how the probate process works here in Nevada. When a person dies and they have assets, if they are in their name alone and not payable on debts to someone, we have to administer their estate. That can be done in several different ways. If a person has a will or a living trust, then a person is appointed under that will or trust to manage their estate and to administer it for the benefit of the beneficiaries. Sometimes people die and they don't have a will or a trust, they have no estate planning, and that's what we call the laws of intestate. When a person dies without a will, then the state determines where your assets go. Now, that might be to some people that you don't even talk to anymore. For example, if you pass away and your mom and dad are no longer with you and you don't have children and you're not married, it's going to go to your brothers and sisters. Well, you may not have talked to your brothers and sisters in years, so you say, well, that wouldn't be good, which is why you want to have some type of estate plan in place. When a person dies and they have a will or a trust, it goes to those beneficiaries. So let's focus specifically here on probate. What does probate mean? The word probate means to prove. It means to prove the validity of a will. So we're going to focus on probate law specifically now. So when a person dies and they have a will, that will has to be lodged or filed with the clerk's office. There's an $18 filing fee at the time of the making of this video. And then you have to file a petition to probate and admit the last will and testament of the decedent. You file a petition for probate, you send out what's called a notice of hearing, that goes out to the heirs, and then you have to notice that in a legal newspaper at least 10 days prior to the actual hearing. And then you set it for a hearing, and then you are admitted as the executor of the will. That's the personal representative of the will.